Okay, so for this specific assignment, I chose stellar parallax as a topic that I had a really hard time understanding. According to the textbook, the formal definition of stellar parallax is as follows: the apparent shift in the position of a nearby star relative to distant objects that occurs as we view the star from different positions in the Earth's orbit of the Sun each year. So essentially, if we're closer to the object of whatever we're looking at, the parallax we see is increased. But if we get further away, the parallax becomes less apparent. So I guess the fact that parallax is a topic that I had a really hard time understanding is why I chose it for this assignment. I was kind of confused as to how something could appear differently if we're in the same position at all times. But as I read further in the book, I learned that the orbit of the Earth and the rotation of the Earth also plays a part in stellar parallax, which made a lot more sense. So it kind of explains why different objects appear to be at different positions at different times. So I would think that this concept really impacts the course in astronomy overall. It kind of defines the reason why we view the sun, stars, and planets, everything around us, differently at different times. And I would think that without this concept, we might as well just assume that everything orbits around the Earth, because although it seems so, it's not so. Um, Also, an analogy that really helped me understand this concept is one that I got from the textbook. You just kind of have to extend your arm and hold up a finger, and then alternately close your left and right eyes. And the appearance of your finger seeming to jump back and forth is what's called parallax. And that honestly really helped me understand it a lot better. And I guess a really good way for any professor or just anyone trying to teach it to someone that's a non science major is to use the analogy that I just said, because it's kind of what really made me understand this concept a lot better than I did before.